Hello everyone. Everything I am going to share with you has been verified by the mechanics at the shop where I work. So please, try not to worry, because we are now incredibly close to finding a truly definitive solution. In order to reach this particular point, I personally had to speak with many customers and rigorously test several different vehicles, which ultimately helped me to gather the most accurate information regarding exactly what you should do whenever that blind spot system unavailable message appears on your dashboard screen. This particular message might seem quite alarming at first glance, but in most cases, it actually has a very simple and straightforward solution. Whenever a customer comes into the shop with this specific warning, the very first thing we tend to notice is that the side sensors are often just covered in dirt. I clearly remember one day when a customer told me, "I really don't understand what happened, it just stopped working all of a sudden for no reason." Also, it was unable to detect other vehicles while changing lanes. Actually, if sensors are blocked by mud, heavy snow, or standing water, the system will automatically deactivate. As a mechanic often says, the vehicle protects itself to avoid the risk of false alerts. Also, we have had some customers notice that the alert comes and goes intermittently while they are driving, whether they are heading back home, visiting a relative, or just out for a casual drive. Recently, a customer told me it came on during the rain and then just went away again. I honestly had absolutely no idea what was actually going on at the time. This situation often occurs because the sensor calibration process can be negatively affected by the presence of deep shadows, intense direct sunlight, or even certain types of road markings. That is precisely why it is absolutely crucial to thoroughly check both the alignment and the recalibration settings on the unit. However, listen, we cannot afford to ignore the software side of things, as it is just as important as the hardware. Often, customers who visit our shop resolve this issue by simply restarting the system or performing a full software update. The manufacturer explicitly states that in the event that any sensor or side mirror is replaced, the entire system must be fully recalibrated. I recall a technician mentioning to me just the other day, if you fail to recalibrate, the vehicle simply won't be able to trust its own sensors. Furthermore, various complex electrical issues can also potentially arise. La Pare is the warning message kept popping up on the screen all on its own, and I really wasn't sure if I could safely continue to use the lane. When we checked it over in the shop, we found loose connectors. It's truly unbelievable. Misaligned modules or even some electrical interference. That's why be very careful with this. Now, as we always say, if the signal doesn't come through correctly, the system shuts down to protect you. So my friends, I hope each of these tips and solutions worked for you. So go fix your car right away.